Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Aviator Updates. If you don't know me, I'm Rakesh Nege and I'm an aviation enthusiast. Today I'm going to discuss about the different categories of airplanes. So let's start. Categories of airplanes. So friends, we should know that there are 5 categories of airplanes. Okay, so they are named as category A, B, C, D and E. So I'll write them down here. Category A, B, C, D and E. So how many categories are there? 5 categories of airplanes. And on which basis they are established? These 5 categories of airplanes are established on the basis of their indicated airspeed at the threshold when the aircraft will be in landing configuration with maximum certificated landing mass. Okay, so I'll write here IAS, that is the indicated airspeed. So which indicated airspeed, in which situation I am considering to identify the category of aircraft? When the aircraft will be at the threshold and in landing configuration with maximum certificated landing mass. So IS, that is the indicated airspeed at threshold in landing configuration, is equal to IS is equal to stall speed multiplied by 1.3 or VS1G multiplied by 1.23. So amongst these values, amongst this and this, whichever is higher, that value of the indicated airspeed is considered to categorize the airplane in these categories. Okay, so for category A, what will be the value of IS? It is less than 91 knots. Okay, and for category B, it is greater than 91 knots but less than 121 knots. For category C, okay, they have an IS at threshold approximately in which range? Greater than 121 knots but less than 141 knots. Okay, this is KTS knots. Next, category D, for them IS will be greater than 141 knots but less than 166 knots. Okay, next for category E, the IAS at threshold in landing configuration will be greater than 166 knots but less than 211 knots. Okay, so this is how with the IAS indicated airspeed of the aircraft at landing configuration with maximum landing mass, the categories have been established. Now friends, I'll tell you which type of aircraft. Okay, so category A, these are basically the single engine airplanes. Okay, so this is for single engine airplanes, category A. These are small single engines. Okay, these are small single engines. And category B are small multi-engine aircraft. Multi-engine aircraft. Okay, next category C, these are airliner jets. Okay, like Airbus. So friends, Airbus 320, if we take an example of this, it is a category C type of aircraft. Next, D, category D aircraft are large jet aircraft or military jets. Military jets. Next, category E aircraft are the special military jet aircrafts. Okay, special military jet aircrafts. Okay, so friends, I hope you're clear with the different categories of airplanes. Now I'll summarize the topic. What we have learned today is about the different categories of planes and on which basis they are categorized. They are categorized on the basis of the indicated airspeed at the threshold. Okay, when the aircraft is in landing configuration at maximum certificated landing mass. The IS at threshold will be equal to stall speed into 1.3 or stall speed VS1G into 1.23. So this is basically for Airbus 320 aircraft. So amongst these values, whichever is higher, that value will be considered as the IAS for categorization of the aircraft. And how many categories are there? 5 categories. These are the ones A, B, C, D and E. So if I ask Airbus 320 is which category of aircraft, it is category C. Why? Because I told for category C, the indicated airspeed at the threshold is between 121 and 141. Okay, so friends, I hope you're clear with all these categories of aircrafts. I'll come up again with a new topic in my next session. Till then, enjoy learning and thank you.